Hi everyone! Today we'll show you how to set up a Yesim eSIM on your smartphone. Steps can vary a bit by device, but the flow is the same. Checking compatibility, downloading, buying and installation your eSIM before you fly, then activation on arrival. Step 1. Checking compatibility. Open Settings, then go to Cellular or Mobile Data and see if you have Add eSIM. If you see this option, your phone is compatible and you can move on to purchase. Step 2. Downloading. Download the free Yesim app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Yesim app and sign up using any convenient method, and verify your email if needed. Step 3. Buying. After verification, tap Buy New eSIM. Type the country you're traveling to in the search bar, or choose it from the list below. This tab shows unlimited plans. The next tab has standard plans. Select the plan you want. If you have Y coins, use them to cover part or all of your purchase. If you have a promo code, enter it in this field. Select how many eSIMs you need. Then tap Checkout. If you want your plan renewal automatically, enable it. If you don't want to start your plan immediately, enable Activate Later. Tap the payment method and choose one. Tap Choose, tap Pay, then enter your payment details. Step 4. Installation. After purchasing a data plan, you'll see your newly purchased plan on the screen with two buttons below. You can install the eSIM on your phone or share it with a friend. Let's install it. Tap Install. Read the tips. They might be useful. Tap Got it. Here you can choose one of three setup options: fast, manual, or by QR code. We choose fast. Tap Install. Tap Allow. Tap Continue. Wait a moment, and when Cellular Setup Complete appears, tap Done. You can see that Primary refers to your main phone number and Travel to the new Yesim plan. Tap Continue. Choose Primary and tap Done. Your Yesim plan is installed. Step 5. Activation. Before your flight or once you arrive, you need to activate your eSIM. To activate a plan, your device must be connected to the internet. Open Yesim app. You can see your new plan. Tap Activate. Activate plan. Then go to Settings, Cellular, Primary. Turn off this line. If you want to use both SIMs at once, keep Primary on. Go back. Tap Travel. Switch on this line. Go back again. Choose Travel and enable data roaming. Your Yesim plan is active. You're online. Sometimes you will need to wait 5 to 10 minutes before the internet starts working. That's it. If you have any questions, just write them in the comments below. See you in the next videos. Bye.